So we just heard back from the independent verification service, Promo Veritas, that the winner of this week's lifestyle competition is Scott McCormick. Scott has won the fantastic Rolex Deepsea watch that we have in the BOTB lifestyle competition. Now, just before I give him a FaceTime call to give him the good news, he's won a brand new Rolex. Let's have a quick look at last week's skilled competition question, which was, which of the following brands is not a tyre manufacturer? And there was, of course, 9 to choose from. There was Dunlop, which is, of course, is a tyre manufacturer. Michelin, very famous tyre manufacturer. A few people, I think, got a little bit stuck on Firestone because that's not quite as well known as some of the others, but that is a tyre manufacturer. Firestone make tyres. But, of course, Kenwood do not. Kenwood are very famous at making appliances, maybe a stereo. You might have a Kenwood stereo in your car. So Scott is this week's winner of that brand new Rolex Deepsea. Let's give him a call and give him the good news. Morning, is that Scott McCormick?
Yeah, that's me.
Hello, Scott. How are you? It's Christian from BOTB.
Yeah, bad, are you?
Oh, I'm not too bad, thank you. Not too bad. Scott, can I guess where in the world are you? You up in Scotland?
Yeah, I'm in Glasgow.
Glasgow. What's the weather like today? Decent?
Not bad. It's dry but cold.
Okay, really cold. And what do you do for a living, Scott?
I work as a project coordinator.
Okay, and I guess that's where you are now?
Yeah, I'm in work, yeah.
It looks like you're either really late to work or you're on a mission somewhere.
No, I'm just getting to a quiet place.
Fantastic. Well, Scott, there's a reason why I'm giving you a call. Obviously, you played our lifestyle competition last week.
Yes.
And just before I show you something, I just wanted to know the question that we had about the tyre manufacturers. Did you find that pretty easy? Did you know which one was not a tyre manufacturer?
Yeah, I knew Kenwood was an electronics company.
Absolutely. Yes, yeah, they make stereos and stuff like that.
The rest of them I recognise from tiles, so straight away.
Well, Scott, I'm pleased to say you are this week's winner of our lifestyle competition. You have just won a brand new Rolex Deepsea watch.
That's amazing, thank you.
So the watch is worth £9,700.
Yeah, that's not bad, is it?
It's not bad. A great start to a Wednesday. So massive congratulations, well done. What made you play for the Rolex? Have you always had your eye on a Rolex?
Yeah, I'm a massive watch fan. So yeah, I've always wanted one. Kept saving up to get one. And then other stuff got on the way, like car broke down, something with the house, just sensible stuff. So I had to put the back burner. Plus the waiting list easy, so yeah, no, that's amazing. I'm so happy.
So I love it. You're a massive watch fan. You're not quite being able to afford one, and now we're going to get to buy you one, and you'll have a brand new Rolex Deepsea. Is this a watch that you might be able to wear every day? Or are you going to wear it for special occasions?
I'll probably wear it every day to work. Like, I work in an office, so it's not too bad to. Yeah, I wear it most days, weekends, and I've got one just now that I wear, so I'll still replace that. You'll
replace your one with a £9,700 Rolex. Nice. So one of the main features of this watch is you can dive pretty deep, and it's a diver's watch. Have you ever done any diving?
No. I'm never getting into it now.
Maybe you'll get into it now. Yeah, maybe diving will be your new hobby.
Yeah.
Well, it's a fantastic watch. Absolutely gorgeous watch, Scott. So massive congratulations. Enjoy the rest of your day at work. And we'll give you a call a little bit later to get all the details from you and get this watch ordered.
Oh, thank you.
No worries. Have a great day.
Have a good one.
Cheers. Bye, Scott. Scott McCormack winning a brand new Rolex Deepsea watch worth £9,700. A gorgeous watch, and you never know, he might now take up diving. If you weren't this week's winner of the lifestyle competition, not to worry, the skilled competition question is live again at BOTB.com. If you answer it correctly this week, you never know, you might just be next week's winner. Best of luck.